Hi, my name is Justin Lach, and I'm a sales representative at EAS Roofing. I start the day at the office, go over a little bit of contracts, stuff like that, do paperwork from the day before. Then I get to go out on the road and I go from home to home and I get to tell you what your wants and needs are for your roof. Because whenever we walk in the house, it's very frantic. You know, you got a lot of people that have a lot of leaks going on. Some people are a little premature with it, making sure that they're a little proactive with their situation. But my favorite one would be going into the actual house whenever there's a leak there. You know, with our expertise in the roof, we're able to show homeowners things that they don't normally know. And from us, we do it on day to day, so it's a lot easier for us. When we're in the attic, we actually handle a couple other things that most people don't. We have infrared guns, we have moisture meters. We have actually things that we could show the homeowner, and not just for our expertise to know what it is. We actually show them exactly what's going on. And also we measure their roof through a satellite imagery that allow them to see what their house looks like periodically back in time, 3 months. I like to tell people we're the new age roofing company. You know, we bring technology, we bring a lot of things that most people don't. What fills me with the pride of working here is when I go into a homeowner's house that's had a problem for multiple years, and you know, there's so many people that go out there and talk to each homeowner. Me knowing that I'm the guy that when I leave there that they know a little bit more than before I showed up, that's really fills in the spot, honestly. The perception of EAS Roofing in the community is that we're there to help. We're not just there reaching our hand out taking your money for the roof. We're there to help you along the process and make sure that you feel comfortable along the way. You're there 365 days a year. We're there once. We just gotta make sure that you're there comfortable. I feel like that's the perception of the company, where you have a high level of comfortability when we're working on your house. The reason why you should go with EAS Roofing is we're not gonna leave you out in the cold. We're not going to leave nothing uncovered. We make sure when we're there, we bring your house up to building code and make sure it's done properly in a timely fashion, also affordable.